Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw dressing without mayo. This easy method creates a wonderfully light and tangy dressing, perfect for a refreshing side dish. We'll use simple pantry staples to achieve a vibrant flavor that complements your shredded vegetables beautifully. Get ready to transform your coleslaw with a healthier, dairy-free option that everyone will truly love. To begin, combine 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar with 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in a medium bowl. Next, add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. This provides a lovely zesty kick. Finally, whisk in 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup to balance the tanginess with a touch of natural sweetness. This forms the delicious, vibrant base. Now, let's perfect the flavor. Season your dressing with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For an extra layer of freshness, stir in about 1/4 cup of finely chopped fresh parsley or dill. Remember to taste and adjust the sweetness or tanginess as needed, ensuring it perfectly suits your palate. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Pour your freshly made, mayo-free dressing over your prepared shredded cabbage and carrot mixture. Toss everything thoroughly until every single piece is evenly coated. For the best flavor, chill your coleslaw in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Enjoy this delightful, lighter side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.